Okay, so here we are as software. This is the software that I use to create chatbots within Facebook Messenger. It's really powerful. There's so many different things that you can do to generate leads or to deliver the sales products or to creating a chatbot for customer service. So many different things that you can do. Okay, so this is just going to be just a quick little overview, just a quick demo showing you how easy it is to set up a chatbot flow and also how to integrate Manychat with any different CRM or autoresponder that the business might already use, and also how you can save all the leads to a Google Sheets. That way you can have proof to show the business of all the different leads that you have generated through the chatbot and your efforts. Okay, so this is the dashboard here inside ManyChat, and let me go ahead and just show you a quick little flow and how easy it is to set up. It's they made it stupid simple. So this is my welcome message. If you go to my Facebook page and you message me, subscribe or start now or join any of those keywords, this will be the very first chatbot flow that you're introduced to for my personal business. Okay, so here's the keywords where I said, get started, subscribe, start, join. And once you message me any of those keywords, you'll automatically get this next message right here. Okay, and it just says, hey, and then your first name, hope you're having a great day, blah, blah, blah. So I know this looks overwhelming, but um, don't worry. We're going to go deep into exactly how to set up everything. We're going to go through all the different tools over here. This is just a quick little overview of what to expect, like what a chatbot flow looks like. But don't worry, you're gonna have you're gonna be a ninja at creating chatbots within ManyChat by the end of this course. I promise. But these are just buttons down here. So if someone gets into my chatbot welcome message and they want to learn more about Facebook ad agency or how to create a course, or if maybe they just want to talk to a human, they can just click on talk to a human, and then it'll go here. And this is an action. An action will what I have set up here is to notify me that hey, someone wants to talk to a human. And after I get notified, then they will get a message saying someone has been notified and we'll be getting back to you shortly. Okay, real simple stuff. All you got to do is just think about what it is that the customer wants and what questions they might have, or you're just trying to figure out what it is that they're looking to accomplish. Okay, and this is also going to depend on the business that you're going to be creating the chatbot for. Now, you can set up a chatbot for customer service, and you can set up a chatbot to deliver lead magnets, and you can set up a landing page within ManyChat. There's so much stuff that you can do that is so powerful and helpful to businesses, and it's the reason why so many businesses right now want to implement messenger marketing, because it's huge and they don't know how to set it up, and that's why it's a huge opportunity for you guys. Okay, so that's just like this is what a flow looks like. Don't worry, we're gonna get over it. We're gonna dive deep into this. But I wanted to also show you how you can integrate a Google Sheets into ManyChat with ManyChat, so that way you can have records of all the leads that you've captured, so that way you can show the business like, hey, this is what I've done for you guys, in case they can't see the return on the investment, but they will. I haven't heard of one business yet that's been disappointed or can't see the the value of having a chatbot. And all my students are having great success. I have some that literally just set up chatbots and manage and charge a monthly recurring fee just to manage the chatbot. And then I have some that use it as a way to provide value to businesses So that way they want to hire their agency to do marketing for them, and they charge for this service $500 to $1,000. So not only are you providing value, but you're getting paid in return too. Very powerful. It's a great strategy, and you're gonna love it, I promise. So real quick, so before you can integrate it with a Google Sheets, you need to actually have the Google Sheets already created. So I went ahead and created a Google Sheets. I just put one column, the first name, last name, and their email, and their company. And then within Manychat, you can have what's called an action. And an action is as soon as they put in their name and email, what do you want to happen? You know, you want to tag them to you want to put a tag on them so you know that they came into your chatbot through a Facebook ad, or you can tag them that they're interested in, you know, creating a course, or they're interested in learning more about your business. Whatever, you can do whatever tags you want. For me, my action is, see, here's a tag that I have, a tag for digital course, tag for Facebook agency, but then here you can also add an action to add them to a Google Sheets. Okay, and I'll show you what that looks like. So the Google Sheets, up here you can see Be Your Own Boss Secrets email list. So that's the sheet that they're going to be saved to. We're going to save their customer data. We're going to save their first name from Manychat and put it into the Google spreadsheet column first name. And then we're going to take the Manychat data email address, and we're going to add it to the Google Sheets column email, and then save. So now you're saving all the leads that are coming through. It's good to have for your personal records. It's good for the business, so the business can actually have copies of their email list. But a lot of businesses are going to have their own autoresponder or their own CRM, right? Okay, so let me go ahead and show you how you can integrate any autoresponder or any CRM with Manychat. And to do that, you need a program called Zapier. And so what Zapier is it's literally an events program. So basically, if it says if this happens, then do this, right? So let me go here and I'll show you what it looks like. Here, we'll make a Zap. We'll go ahead and type in Manychat. Okay, and we're going to do a new trigger, an event. And let's say MailChimp is the autoresponder or the CRM that the business uses. Okay, and then we're going to add a subscriber. Now I don't have a MailChimp account, but all you'd have to do is you just sign into their MailChimp account, and you'd be able to say, okay, when a new when someone clicks on a Facebook ad, or when someone interacts with my Manychat chatbot, take their customer information, take the information, I get tongue tied, sorry. Take the customer's information, their name and email, and add it to MailChimp. So now you're still allowing the business to use their own CRM, their own autoresponder, whatever it is that they're using to collect leads and capture and save them, growing their email list. They don't have to change. You can just implement it, the chatbot, right into their business, right into their Facebook page, and still capture all the leads using whatever CRM or autoresponder they already are using. So Zapier is really powerful. There's a lot that you can do with Zapier, a ton of stuff. You can do webinars and things like that. For this course, wanted to show you just how to create a chatbot for businesses, but just know that you can create a webinar and use Zapier to send out emails, reminders to people about the webinar they signed up for. A ton of things that you can do. It's super powerful. This is why messenger marketing and chatbots are becoming so powerful, and they're taking over email, because you can do so much. Like within ManyChat, you can create a landing page to deliver lead magnets. You can sell a product. Obviously, because you're on my course, I literally created my whole course and sold it and everything right inside of ManyChat. Just to give example, how powerful it is. I wanted to build out this whole course and everything within their software so that I can prove to people and show people how powerful it is and how simple it can be. And yeah, it's crazy. It's I've never seen anything like it. There's nothing else out there like it. And I promise you, by the end of the course, you're gonna know how to do. We're gonna go over all the different sections over here: the growth tools, broadcasting, the different automation, how to set up different flows, which this right here is a flow, all that stuff. Okay, so this is just a quick demo, quick overview. Don't get overwhelmed. I know this looks like a lot here on the screen, but you're going to know how to be a ninja at creating chatbots by the end of this course. I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. It's just like kind of doing wireframing, just doing one step at a time, building it out, and just thinking about the customer journey and what it is that they want and what they're trying to accomplish. And yeah, man, you'll be fine. So that's it for this lesson. I just a quick little overview. We're gonna dive deep into this. So like I said, don't worry. Um, you're gonna learn how to set this all up. This is actually gonna be the first thing we set up for you is the welcome message. I want you to do it yourself, like on your own account. Just like a little practice demo or whatever. You don't have to hit publish or anything. You can just build out a flow, get the feel for it, and by the end of this course you'll have it mastered, so you're confident when you go talk to business owners that you can set up a chatbot for them that can drive leads, that can answer customer um, issues. They can act as their customer service person. There's so much that you can do, and you can do them both too. You can have a chatbot flow answering customer service questions for the business. You can have a chatbot flow that's delivering lead magnets off of a Facebook ad. So many different things, and it's businesses are wanting a chatbot. They just don't know how to do it, and by you coming to them with this service, it's going to provide value for the business in hopes that maybe they want to hire your agency. And maybe you're not an agency. I have students that created their own chatbot agency. They just set up chatbots for businesses and manage them, and get a monthly recurring fee for managing the chatbot. So it's powerful. You're in the right time. Like we're in the beginning stages of chatbots. So many businesses are ready for one. They just don't know how to do it. So after this course, you'll be able to go out there and hit a home run. Okay, so that's it for this lesson, guys. Don't forget to answer the question on each lesson. That's how you get the next lesson. So with that, I'll see you guys on the next one, and I'm excited, man. I'm glad you guys are here. All right, cool. I'll see you guys there.